Alright, gonna do a pour. I got one of these. I'm gonna be doing a red pour series today. First, I gotta put down my base coat, which I'm using just paint and water for this because it's cheaper, right? Keep this shit as cheap as possible. Alright, gonna spread that out. I'll cover everything, and those little air bubbles I'll blow out with the torch. Get the sides going. I don't know if I'm fucking up the image for you by moving this around. I'll check before I do the pour. I don't even know if you can hear me, which maybe I'll be able to edit some music in so you don't have to listen to my antics. But for some reason I can't play music while I do video. Alright. So a little bumpy. That's alright. That will come out. Got that. Oh, she ain't moving. That's okay. Feel like Bob Ross when I'm talking. It's a happy little mistake. So right now I'm just blowing out all those air bubbles, especially because I just used water. There are quite a few. If you're doing any acrylic pouring, definitely need one of these. Alright, so let's see if this is still centered for you guys. Yep, that's not bad. Alright. So I'm going to be doing a different kind of pour. Or I have an idea in my head. So this is supposed to be one continuous pour. Here we go. I'm doing that, how do you do this in one pour? You gotta actually make the shape. Alright, let's get a little more. I have a little more paint, so why not? Do a swirling technique. This is like a ring pour technique. Small little circles. They're happy little circles. I'm just trying to use all this paint I can. So it looks like I'm right there. Alright, got some cool colors. Let's see what this can end up looking like. Now, I want to tilt to the corners so I can actually pull over each side. And I'm trying to keep a little of that white in there. I'm trying to get this over the side, and then I'll pull it back in the center. And it looks like we're going to have to just tilt it this way to get her over the side again. Like I said, I want to keep that white. And I just need to hit this corner. Alright. Let's see how much of this white I can actually get back into the middle. I'm thinking that looks pretty cool. There's a lot of movement right in here and leaves the sides a little strong. Well, I'm going to call that good. Hopefully I can figure out how to make a video out of this. Last things last. I'm just going to take a little paint. I missed a little bit on the corner. That's alright. That's what the drippy drips are for. Alright. Blow it out. Now I could have did a lot more manipulation over my tipping. However, if it gets to a point where you like it, but keep it. That's got some good composition. Bring it in close. Bear with me. I am not set up for this quite yet. Alright, obviously my light is glowing. Now if you see those divots, which you can see in the light, that's alright. It will dry out, and I'm probably going to epoxy these so you won't see those at all. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around.